Wow! Sabi ni Mami, pang photocard ito. Wow! It looks good already. Whoa! Mommy, look.
So, talaga naliloko mo ako, ah.
Ito talaga, naloko mo ako, ah. Second to last step. Tapos na! This is my gin vending machine. Okay. Gin. I want a gin photo card.